Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Ladder. Today we are going to see the characteristic and advantages of cloud computing. What are the characteristics of cloud computing? First one is on-demand self-service, which means we can provision the resources and services from the cloud without any other human interference from the service provider. The next one is a broad network access, which indicates everything is available and accessed through the internet, and it can be accessed by various client platforms like AWS Management Console, Command Line Interface, and AWS CDK. CDK is a cloud development kit. We can access the resource using a familiar programming languages like Java, Python, etc. The next one is a multi-tenancy resource pooling. Here, the multiple customers share the same infrastructure in a secure manner with a lot of privacy. Which means if two persons share the same infra means one person does not know what's going on in another one, even though they share the same infrastructure. The next one is a rapid elasticity and scalability. We can automatically create and delete a resource whenever needed in a quick way, which also we can increase or decrease the resources based on the demand. Suppose if you receive a lot of requests to application, we need a more resource, right? It will automatically increase the resource. Suppose if the load fall down suddenly, we don't need extra resources, so we will just cut off the resources automatically. We have these advantages in cloud. Finally, it is a measured service. Users will pay only for what they going to use, not a single penny extra. Okay, these are the characteristics of cloud computing. And then what are the advantages of cloud computing? First one is trade the capital expenses for operational expenses, which means if we set up our own infrastructure, data center, everything, it is a capital expenditure. If we set up our own infrastructure in our on-premise data center, it is known as a capital expenditure. Rather than, instead of we can go with the cloud, everything will be taken care by the cloud. We only pay for what we are gonna use. We don't need to pay for our infrastructure and the current and the maintenance and cooling, etc. etc. Benefits is, and another benefit is, prices will be very low as AWS is a large scale. Simply, what we can get an example for this is when we buy anything from a wholesale dealer, the prices are very low, right? The same principle here also. AWS is providing these services with a lot of customers, so the prices will be absolutely low. And then stop the guessing capacity in the cloud. Never ever guess what or anything in a cloud. You just acquire the resources and scale up and scale in whenever needed, so that you are not going to pay anything extra. And then here in a cloud, the speed and agility will be a more, and no need to spend money on the data centers. It will be owned by the AWS. We will be just pay for the resources we are going to use. And finally, go global in minutes. What it indicates is you can host an application in North America from India within a minutes. You don't need to host a server there or have a server or have a data center there. You just need to click on a button. It will host an application or whatever you need in North America instantly. That's it. In the next video, I will teach about the services provided by the cloud. Thank you.